Hi, as you know, my name's John. This Friday night video has actually got no content. All it is a little bit of me talking. I've got something serious I need to discuss. It would appear that some horrible bastard has cloned my email address and is sending emails to a lot of my viewers asking to help us with my cousin that's got cancer and I need money and can I buy Amazon vouchers for them. These emails are not from me. This is the email address that they're using. It's very similar to mine, but it's not mine. If you get an email from these people, can you please forward it to the link, the address in the introduction box. I'll put a link, government website, forward it to them, and I think they're trying to stop this sort of thing. I've got some really nice viewers, and I don't want to see anybody hurt or anybody ripped off by some horrible little thieving bit of shit that's doing this. And that's all I want to say. So hopefully on Sunday night we'll be back to normal. I've got some good content coming up for Sunday's nightcaps. Anyway, thanks for watching. Just if you like to see, if you get a horrible email, it's not from me. Thanks for watching.